Lists are an essential part and plays a very vital role in Python programming language. So here comes a video tutorial for basic knowledge about it. So a list is a collection of values separated by commas. The values are put inside square brackets. Every element has an assigned index value starting from the 0 and they are mutable. That is, data can be manipulated using some inbuilt list methods like pop, append, extend, delete, remove, etc., which I will show you later. So now let's check it out Python listing ideally. And a list can be created by using two types. First is simply use the inbuilt method, that is a equals to list and parentheses. If you will print this, then you will see an empty list. Another method is simply put empty square brackets. So now if you will check the type of both A and B, you will see these both are list. Now a list can contain any value like a integer value, a string value, a float value, or also contain another list like this. And the assigned index value are like this. From left to right it will be like 0, 1, 2, 3, and from right to left it will be -1, -2, -3, and so on. So if you want to print the third value, that is with 2 index value, you will write code like this, and the third value is 89.0. And you can also use the slice function to display the result like this. So here remember that the initial value is included but the last value is excluded. So this is how you will print the value from second to fourth, that is ABC 89.0 and the inside list. And if you want to print the last value, you can simply use the -1 index value like this, print list and in square bracket -1. So this will print the last value of the list. And if you want to print the second last value, you can do like that and make another list with some another value. Now let's try to concatenate it using plus operator. So a plus b will display like this and their ordered value. That's why if you will add b plus a, then the b value will come first after a. Okay, now let's use some inbuilt list methods which are used for manipulation. So let's make a list with some random values and use the method pop. So if you know the index value which you want to delete, then you can use the pop method. Index value should be given in parentheses. If you don't know the index value, then it will delete the last element. So see, last element have been deleted from the previous list. So now if you know the index value which you want to delete, then simply write list.pop and then in parentheses the index value which you want to delete. So here -10 have been deleted. Now remove. If you know the element which you want to delete, then just use the remove method like this, list.remove, then in parentheses the element. So here 56 have been removed. If you will print the list, see 56 have been removed. And now if you want to add a single element to the end of the list, then use the list method, that is append. Like if you want to add an integer that is 70 at the end of the list, simply write list.append and in parentheses 70. And now if you will print the list, you will see 70 have been added to the previous list. And if you want to add more than one element, simply make another list with those elements and use list that extend and in parentheses write the new list. And then if you will print the list, that previous list, you will see those elements have been inserted on the previous list. Now comes sort method, which is used to arrange the elements in ascending or descending order. For that, simply use list.sort. You will see the list have been arranged in ascending order. If you want to arrange this in reverse order, that is descending order, simply use list.sort and in bracket reverse equals to true. And if you will print the list, you will see that the list have been arranged in descending order. So these were some basic and very important inbuilt list methods. And if you want to know more list methods, then simply use the directory function dir and then parentheses list. And now these are the methods available. And if you want to know about something like clear, then use the help function help parentheses list dot clear, so it will show the function clear in detail. Like this, if you want to know about count, then you can use similar function help list.count, like that help list.insert, and know more about that. So I hope you have understood this Python list, and I recommend you to practice more to get a deep knowledge about it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button, and if you have any queries, then ask me in comments, and hit the bell icon for instant updates about my video. Thank you once again.